Welcome to Cloud Expert Audiobooks. In this session, we'll be talking about monolithic architecture. Let's understand what is monolithic architecture. A monolithic architecture is an architecture where all components for an application are co-located within a single unit. This unit is typically constrained within a single runtime instance of the application. Traditional applications often consist of a web interface, a services layer, and a data layer. Monolithic architectures are often suitable solutions for small applications, but they can become unwieldy as the application grows. What was originally a small application can quickly become a complex system that's difficult to scale, difficult to deploy to, and difficult to innovate on. All the services are contained within a single unit. This arrangement brings challenges as their business, and subsequent system load grows. Some of these challenges are difficult to scale services independently, complex to develop and manage deployments as the codebase grows, which slows releases and new feature implementation, tied to a single technology stack, which limits innovation in new platforms and SDKs. Data schema updates can be increasingly difficult. These challenges can be addressed by looking at alternative architectures, such as a microservices architecture. Why would you choose a microservices architecture? There are several primary benefits to a microservices architecture. Agility, small code, small teams. Mix of technologies. Resiliency, scalability, data isolation. Please check our next audiobook on a microservices architecture. Great. Now you learned about monolithic architecture. Hope you enjoyed it. For more audiobooks, please download our Cloud Expert app from Google Play Store and subscribe. Hey! Don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.